Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to inspect an element on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To inspect element of a web page, simply open Google Chrome browser, visit the web page you want to inspect, right click on web page, and here you should get inspect option. Simply click on it. So here we get the inspect element on our Chromebook. There is also another method. For that, simply click on this three-dot icon, then click on More Tools, and here you will find Developer Tools option. Simply click on it. And here we have the Inspect Element window. If you want, you can also access Inspect Element using a keyboard shortcut. For that, simply press Ctrl+Shift+I. So that's it. This is how you can inspect an element of a web page on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.